here we go. 50 plus crews and they get a freedom pass. They cross the finish line. It's all good though. How great is this? Hands out there. All the brakes are working, boys. Well done. Keith Wilson's in here. Snubble's coming up the inside, trying to go through the pro section. But here they go, three abreast. Stubble, Wilson, Hanlon. It's the old London boys in there. Look at them. Stubble and Wilson going at it.
Right, here we go, 50 plus the second rack of these guys. Let's have a look who's on fire in this one. Keith Grange is in there, looking at the 41. That's Simon Turton. Aidy Warden's in there as well. Aidy Warden, 50 plus cruiser. Oh my God. He's in there in the 3 spot. Pat Robinson's in there in the 4. Keith Brown in the 5. And the oldest swinger in town. When I say swinger, I don't mean that kind of swinger, I mean the other kind of swinger. That is Mr. Paul Mounty.
Yeah, he's
good on him.
Definitely got his freedom pass. So it's a race 66 on track. There's a bit of a mechanical. That is the Luke Terry out there. Pick up the other guys, they come round. That is the 6th plate in there with him. Cameron Parrish from UK. The Luke Terry leading out, but he's getting pushed all the way down that last straight. Cameron Parrish going in through with it. 4.
He's Jules, he's made it round, big lads. Well done. Liking that. Got all of the steering, well done there. Also number 74, oh, 0-1. The future pro, James Clitheroe, leading it out. In there in the 1 spot, he's got the 2, looking at the 603, that's Harrison Schofield. Logan Wilson on the 182. 497, followed by young Mr. Dodds. Owen.
Race 85, wild boy out there for Odin Clothing. New team. How you doing over there? They're giving away free t-shirts. Here you go, Mr. Wildball's getting agitated. Look. So, Miles doing the business, WA. Going down that last straight, he'll take it. Catch team bikes again, we're rolling through 12 out there, can't we? James Trowbridge.
Right, looks like Trowbridge leading it out. He's in there in the 1 and in the 16. That's Carl Summerfield in the 2, 4-2-4. He's in there in 3. Harvey Cotton in there as well. Jack Davey, Miles Lachey, and Rocco Grant in the mix as well. But taking it to the line, it looks like Trowbridge.
Leading it out, bossing it again, Moto 2, Berlin 2nd. He's going to go down, take that win as we roll through. Then a Moto 90, the E4 out there, Harry Tanner, GHP. Did he get swooped on the inside? We'll pick up the others. Got Luke Smith, Joshua Walls, Taylor, Long, Young, Longley and Egan. But these 2 guys battling out, GHP coming into the last corner with Tanner, E4, European number 4. Bit of a change of scenery up here. Sinead's is up here doing the MC for the live feed. So we're giving her a few tips. 7 plate out there, Leo Capano, race day video for the 10-year-olds, race 92. We've got here Monday as well, Sheridan, Makepeace, Cunningham, Fletcher, on here some Keil Williams. And I think that is Cabana out there looking good. All the way out of South London. Tabby Rendell. Probably going to go for a 100-mile bike ride after this. She's in there.